Greetings traders, all those out there in trader land. This is D7. Let's take a look at the markets. Another up day, but not as up as what a lot of us might had hoped. We have the Dow up barely, Nasdaq almost a full percent, S&P up 1/4%, Russell's lagging behind, VIX slightly down. Let's take a look at the S&P daily. Here we are decisively over this trend line. Now look at these two big blue trend lines that we have going. We have this one coming down and this one coming down. Big trend lines that we've been watching, and they've played out as support and resistance for some time. We left that channel, really surprised that yesterday we broke through it. But when we popped through there, we also popped through our 11 EMA, my little pink one. That was really neat to see. So it doesn't surprise me that we made a higher high today. Here's our higher high, and we have a higher low. Bulls are in charge right now. I don't care if this was a red candlestick. Anytime you get these higher highs and higher lows, the bulls are now in charge. So we did bust back through this area that should act as resistance, and we're back inside this channel. If this does rally back north all the way to this big blue line up here, this will be called a jab. A jab is any time you leave a big trend, such as the one we have here, this big blue trend. Anytime you leave it and immediately come back into the trend and heal itself. If that happens, this is called a jab, and they don't happen very often, and when they do, they surprise everybody. Now, but what I think is going to happen here, we're going to come up and smack our head. That right there is going to be a real hard place to bust through. That's going to put us at 740. 740 area. 740 will be an area you'd be looking for a short opportunity. And if we see us hang up right there, we could just come crashing right back down. But if we come up here, hang around this area at 753, could be another, 752, 753 could be another nice area to short, or maybe even chop all the way to this 6-7 area. So that would be a nice short area. But let me show you a couple things. Here's the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq here is at resistance. You can see that resistance right there. You have to be really careful. I'd like to see that pop through, but the next area, it should hit this falling 20-day moving average. And that would maybe be a nice place to start looking for shorts. That would put us right here at this level, would be acting as resistance. And here's the Russells. The Russells is at major resistance. You can see this with kind of a shooting star pattern. We do have a higher high, higher low shooting star pattern, you know, but it has not gotten past the 11 EMA, and we have these big resistance areas. So it's almost looking like a good short already for the Russells. So I just don't think the markets are that ready to go bearish yet. I could be wrong, so we need to be ready for it if they do. There you have it. Happy trading to you. Make sure you're always out there trading with a stop loss. Until next time, we'll catch you at freetradingvideos.com.